Okay, so this is going to be some sort of overview as to my game mechanic for the player controller, the character controller. Now, Unity uses a built-in character controller, which is for the first-person controller, which is the controller that I'm going to be using because it's a first-person game. The only problem was it was written in JavaScript, well, Unity's JavaScript, and I needed it to be in C# due to, obviously, when the scripts compile, if they're not in the right places, they can have trouble seeing other scripts, and I needed other scripts to interact with this script on that basis. So, yeah, I mean, I ripped it out and I put it all into C#, which I have here as my character, where is it, this one, character motor. It's just a C# equivalent. The only difference is I've added a lot more features in it, so I can double jump, I can sprint, I can dash, I can double dash forward, all those sorts of things. Now, in my first person controller, I've just got sprinting enabled, and I need to enable double dashing as well. So I'm just going to give this a go now and show you what you think. So, standard Unity, cube and texture on there. I start up on the block. Straight away, I can double jump, which is nice and smooth. So, again, if I want to walk forward and I hold my left bumper, because obviously I've hooked this up to both a keyboard and an Xbox controller, which is the main use for this game. Not that it will be deployed to Xbox, it's just that an Xbox controller is much easier for when I have to demo this. Okay, so if I hold sprint, I actually move very quickly, and that's the idea. It's got a recharge time and a sprint maximum time, so that you cannot continually sprint, and there is some consequence or delay before you can start doing it again. So I've got double jump. Jump once, jump again. Jump once, jump again. And so on. If, for whatever reason, you just fall off, you can only jump the once. You can't double jump. You need to first be grounded before you can double jump again. So it plays really well so far with double jumping. Again, jumping and double jumping is an unlockable feature, therefore I can control when the player can do this. The next feature is a dash feature. Now this was tricky because I'm still not 100% happy with it, but just to give you some sort of overview, you can dash forward. You can double dash if you... Is it going to let me do it? I don't think it's going to let me do it. Okay, so double dashing isn't working right now, but we'll come back to that. But a simple dash allows the player to jump once, dash, and then effectively gain higher ground. So if we were saying we wanted to go over there, you can dash towards it. Dashing works best at the moment if you jump, dash, jump, and you gain a lot further distance than if you were to jump, like so. So yeah, simple overview of my character controller. Obviously there's a lot of work to do from this point, and the dashing I'm still not happy with, but the double dashing effectively allows you to dash again, similar to double jump, within a time zone, so you only get a fraction of a second to double dash, otherwise you're not allowed to do it. So yeah, simple overview. Stay tuned for more.